Okay, here we go. This is a quick description of SongPerformer, what it does, how to do it, who's it for. Who's it for? Anybody who needs to learn lines, songs, plays, whatever. If it's text and you need to learn it, you can use this, and you can use it whether you're learning or actually performing it. Okay, so without further ado, let's take you through the sections. We have song lists, playlists, and a few settings for loading, saving data, setting it as sim mode for working on stage. Okay, song lists. This is where you can go to your songs or theatre production lines. So let's quickly look at a song. There's an example. Okay, from here you can work with it, stop it, continue it, etc. You can go into a learn mode where you can decide how much of you want to see so that you're learning it, and hide individual sections of this as you're working with it. Okay, right, so from there we can actually go and edit it. Okay, you can either do a whole section or a line at a time if you want to work with this like a karaoke thing. A few options here about what you want to show and when. Some buttons to make things easier to work with. Okay, you can input this as just simply as text. Just use the two lesser hand symbols to describe a section. So if we look at something else that's maybe a little bit more complicated, say it was a scene in a play, you might do it like this. Okay, each line. Okay, or if it's a song, you may do it in the actual verses of your song. Playlists, what do them do? They could be stuff that you're performing in theatre as you perform them, and then you can work with them, or it could be as a musician. These are your set list. So what you would do is you would start your particular part of your set off. This will show you how long it takes each song to turn around. You can move those up as you perform those songs. It will go back, and then you can see which songs you've done, how much time you've got left to do, etc. Okay, so that's playlists, really handy. You can share these, so if you are in a band and you're deciding what you want to do that night, we can go, okay, that's what we're going to do. I'm going to save that and then send that file, which is a simple JSON object. It's easy and you can read it, to the friends in your band. If they've got SongPerformer, they can load that, and then they have the playlist and all the songs, etc. as well. Okay, right, dark mode. If you're performing a song on stage, you might not want to light up your face. I'm sure you'll have other stage lighting, or not, if it's a pub. There we are. I'm trying to keep this video down to less than 5 minutes, so if we go to the home, we can see stuff that we're working on. You'll see these split buttons. These allow you to create whatever you need to do on that particular page. You can do from the split buttons. And there's some options as well. Like, for example, you might want to sort alphabetically instead of the last thing that you've done. Okay, so a handy little feature there is back. I may decide to copy a playlist so that I can use it for another gig. If I want to add a playlist, just like I want to add a song, just type it in, you're done. New song, and from there paste your text in as you've done before. You can go back and edit that. So if you're in here, you can even go and edit from there. Okay, so you can go in, do what you need to do. You can automatically assign at the beginning. I suggest you go through your song and actually do it as the record's doing it, as how you want to do it, the sections. But if you wanted to do it for a particular time, if you could put in the time there, click this button, it will automatically split the time, which is handy when you're creating your own karaoke files. Alright, I think that's me over the 5 minutes, so I'll stop there. Best thing to do is load it, play with it. There's examples, it's free to use. Put as many songs in there as you're working with. I do suggest backing stuff up occasionally as well. It's just handy if you want to save it to another device as well, just pass it around. That's it. Not want to bore you with any more. Have fun with it. Let me know how you think. Bye bye.